Hello and welcome to OneNote by Hand. Today I'm going to ask you which is humanity's best and worst invention. Before we answer this question, I want to show you two pictures on this napkin. This is one of the tallest trees on Earth. It can reach an altitude of 90 meters. Besides, we've got a bonsai, which is much shorter. What difference is there between the two of them? None. Their DNA is practically the same, but one is taller than the other. The roots of the taller tree were able to grow and sustain the tree. On the other hand, the bonsai was not able to grow because its roots were chopped and were confined to a very limited space. A page is the equivalent of a flower pot to our minds. Its borders determine and confine our thought. That is the reason why the page is the worst invention by humanity and at the same time one of the best. Nevertheless, OneNote gives us digital paper that allows us to work on an infinite page that does not draw boundaries on our thought. Therefore, as it works on the cloud, it allows us to share our ideas with anyone around the world. Now let's take a look at how this is applied to those books that we use to transfer knowledge, but are not novels or narrative books. I'll show you 4 pages of a random book. We read them one after the other while we create an image of what we're reading in our minds. In the best of cases, we can only look at 2 pages at the same time, which gives us a very limited context of what we're seeing. But what if we bring together all that same material on an infinite page? This is what we are left with. We now have the chance to see the whole thing and to understand the context. But if we zoom in, we can still appreciate the detail. For instance, imagine that we are looking at a forest from afar, but at the same time, we are able to take a closer look at the trees below. Now we can link pieces of information that allow our brain, which works graphically 80% of the time, to keep hold of an image that will help our brain learn. Also, we may use different sets of tools to emphasize and to understand the schemes and the relationships in there. Now I can go to the forest and back to the detail as much as I want. And there's more to this. Digital paper is not a scarce commodity. In contrast, I can use it as much as I want by leaving blank spots wherever I want to. In conclusion, when we work on digital paper, we have a new syntax, a new way to present and to organize words, images, and even sound and movement. I'm going to call this new syntax contextual map, which will be our next session's topic. Thank you for watching.